Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to add software development services IndiaMART Enquiries in Google Sheets automatically. So here I'm running my software development service business, and through IndiaMART I'm receiving a lot of inquiries for my services. Now what I want is that as I'm going to receive a new inquiry through IndiaMART, then automatically I want to add these details in my Google Sheet, and I want to do this so that I can keep the record of all my inquiries. So here for my objective, and for doing this automatically, I need to build a connection between IndiaMART and Google Sheets. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, as I'm going to receive a new inquiry for my software development business, then automatically I'm going to add all the detail of my inquiry in my Google Sheet. So how I'm going to do this automatically and how I'm going to build this connection, for that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can add software development services IndiaMART Enquiries in Google Sheets automatically. So imagine here I am running a software development company and I receive multiple inquiries via IndiaMART for my services. But manually tracking each inquiry and entering the details into my Google Sheet for follow-ups and record keeping can be tedious and time consuming. So here what I want is, I want to automate this process so that whenever a new inquiry for a software development service is received on IndiaMART, then all the details are automatically added to a designated Google Sheet for easy tracking and follow-up. So here by using Pabbly Connect, I can seamlessly automate this process, and it will ensure that each IndiaMART inquiry is captured and received in Google Sheet without manual effort. So here what I need to do is, I need to create an automation, and for creating this automation, I need to build a connection between IndiaMART and Google Sheet, and that too without any coding and programming skill, just by using Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, and by using Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this connection between IndiaMART and Google Sheet. And for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab, and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. And here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time, and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in, and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and here I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So for that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and it will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is, I need to create a new workflow, and for that, I need to click on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here, I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to add software development services IndiaMART Enquiries in Google Sheets. Now what I need to do is, I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I will find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account. And here I have this particular folder of IndiaMART. So I'm going to select this, and I need to click on Create Now. And this will take us to this window. And in this window, we can see I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here in our workflow, we can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here what I need to do is, I need to first set up my trigger, and here for setting up my trigger, I need to first search for my trigger application. So here my trigger application is going to be IndiaMART. So I'm going to search for that, and now I'm going to select IndiaMART here. And now I have to give a trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab, and new leads will be my trigger event, so I'm going to select this. And for every new inquiry or the new leads, I'm going to use this trigger event. Now what I need to do is, I need to connect IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, and for that I need to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions, and I need to first copy this webhook URL. And now what I need to do is, I need to take you to my IndiaMART account, And here I need to add my webhook so that I can connect IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect, and every time I'm going to receive a new inquiry for my software development service, then automatically I can add that in Google Sheet. So for connecting IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect, what I need to do is I need to go to Lead Manager, and here in Lead Manager I need to first click on Menu, and here in Menu what I need to do is I need to go to Import/Export Leads, and here I'm going to use Push API. So I'm going to open this. And now here what I need to do is I need to create a Push API integration, and by creating this integration I can connect IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect. So every time I'm going to receive a new inquiry, then automatically the response of that inquiry will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So here first, for creating this API integration, what I need to do is I need to first select my source. So I'm going to open this tab, and here in this tab I don't have my source, so I'm going to select Other here. And now I need to give my CRM platform name and the webhook listener URL. So here I want to connect Pabbly Connect here. So I'm going to give my platform name as Pabbly Connect. And now as I have given my platform name, I need to give my webhook listener URL. So here in the webhook listener URL, I'm going to paste my webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now as I've successfully pasted that, I need to click on Save Details. And I need to first select my option for which I am going to create this integration. So I'm going to open this tab, and I can select any option that I want, and I'm going to randomly select any option here. And now what I need to do is I need to click on Click to Generate OTP, and after clicking here I'm going to fill my OTP, and as I'm going to fill my OTP, then automatically it will create this Push API integration, and it will connect IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click here, and here we can see I have successfully added my webhook listener URL, and I have connected Pabbly Connect with IndiaMART. Now what I need to do is I need to take you back to Pabbly Connect, and here I need to scroll down, and here we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So how I'm going to get this webhook response? For that, what I need to do is I need to first create a new inquiry for my software development service, and as I'm going to create a new inquiry, it will automatically give me the response here in Pabbly Connect. Now here, for getting this webhook response, what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate a test lead. As right now I don't have any listed product on my IndiaMART account, so I'm just going to generate a test inquiry from IndiaMART. So when I'm going to receive the test inquiry, it will give me an inquiry for a random product which will not be related to my business, but I'm just going to generate the test inquiry so that I can show you how we can set up this workflow and how we can get the details of the new inquiries from IndiaMART to Pabbly Connect. So here, for getting my webhook response, what I need to do is I need to take you back to my IndiaMART account, and here in this Push API integration where we have set up this integration, I have this option of Test Your Webhook Listener URL. So by clicking on this button, I can generate a test inquiry or a test lead. So for that, I'm just going to click here. And now I have this button of test, and in this I have added my webhook URL. So this is the webhook URL that I've added in my integration, and as I'm going to click on test, it will automatically send the test inquiry to this webhook URL. So I'm going to click on test, and here we can see I have successfully sent the test data to Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect now. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So here this is a test response, and this is not a response that is related to my business, but I have received this as a test inquiry. Now in the real time, when you will run your workflow and you're going to receive a new inquiries in your IndiaMART account, then automatically you will receive the response of the new inquiries that you will get for your business from IndiaMART. So automatically all the inquiry details will be received in Pabbly Connect like this. And here I have this test response. So in this I have the status of success, I have my unique query ID, I have my subject, that is requirement for empty mineral water bottle. Empty mineral water bottle is a test product, this is not a listed product on my IndiaMART account. Also I have received the sender state, that is Uttar Pradesh, I have received the random pin code, I have received the random phone number, I have received the random mobile number. Also I have received the sender name, that is Prabhat. And here I have all these other details, like I have received the email address of my sender. I have received the sender company name, that is ABC Private Limited. I have the sender city, that is Noida, and I have the sender address, that is Sector 135 Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Also in this I have all these other details of my inquiry, like I have the product name, that is mineral water bottle. I have my query message. So here I have the message that says, I want to purchase an empty mineral water bottle, kindly send me price and other details. Also I have received the quantity that is required, that is of 1 lakh pieces. Probable order value is going to be around 10 lakh to 20 lakh rupees. Probable requirement type is for business use. So here this is my query message and here this is my inquiry message. Now here we can see that I have successfully received the detail of my inquiry from IndiaMART. And now what I need to do is that as I'm going to receive a new inquiry from IndiaMART, I automatically want to add all those inquiries in my Google Sheet. So here for doing this automatically, what I need to do is I need to set up my Actions tab. So for that I need to open this tab. And here first I need to search for my action application. And here my action application is going to be Google Sheets. So I'm going to search for that. And I'm going to select Google Sheets here. Now I have to give my action event, so I'm going to open this tab and add new row will be my action event, so I'm going to select this. And now what I need to do is I need to connect Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, and for that I need to click on this connect button. And now I need to click on add new connection, so I'm going to click here and I'm going to click on sign in with Google. I have to click on allow to give access to my account, so I'm going to do that. And here I have successfully connected Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. Now here what I need to do is I need to first select my spreadsheet, and first for selecting my spreadsheet I need to take you to my Google Sheet account. And here in Google Sheet we can see I have this spreadsheet of IndiaMART Enquiries, and in the spreadsheet I have all these columns, like I have the column of name, email, phone number, address, inquiry message, inquiry subject and the product name. So here I have all these columns, and now in this column what I'm going to do is I'm going to automatically add all the detail of my inquiries that I'm going to receive through IndiaMART, and I'm going to add them one by one in a new rows. So for this let me take you back to Pabbly Connect, and first I need to select my spreadsheet. So for selecting the spreadsheet I need to open this tab, and here in this tab I will find all the spreadsheets that I have in my Pabbly Connect account, and I'm going to use this particular spreadsheet of IndiaMART Enquiries. So I'm going to select this. And here we can see all the details have changed according to my spreadsheet. Now here what I need to do is I need to use all the detail of my response that I've received for my IndiaMART inquiry, and automatically by using my response of IndiaMART inquiry, I'm going to map those details here in these tab. So by using my response from previous tab, I'm going to map those details here, and I'm going to use mapping. So what mapping is? Mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So here what I need to do is I need to fill all the detail of my inquiry, and here I need to first give the name of my sender or my lead. So I'm going to click here, and here I have this response of IndiaMART. So here I'm going to search for my sender name, and here this is my sender name, that is Prabhat. So I'm going to map this. Now I'm going to give the email address of my lead. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to search for the email address. And here this is my sender email, so I'm going to map this. Now I have to give the phone number. Now here for the phone number, I'm going to search for the mobile number of my lead. And here this is the random mobile number of my lead, so I'm going to map this. Now I have to give the address, so I'm going to map the address of my lead. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to search for the address. So this is my lead address, so I'm going to map this. And now I'm going to scroll down. And now I have these three tabs of inquiry message, inquiry subject and the product name. So I'm going to simply map those details. And now I have mapped all the required details. Now as I have mapped all these details, I have made all these details dynamic. And now what is going to happen is that as I'm going to receive a new response of a new inquiry from IndiaMART for my software development services business, then automatically all these details that I've mapped here are going to get replaced with the new inquiry detail. And every time I'm going to receive a new inquiry, then all these details are going to get replaced and it will automatically be added in my Google Sheet. Now as I've mapped all the required details, what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test to Quiz button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have added all the detail of my inquiry automatically in my Google Sheet. So to check whether I have added the detail in my Google Sheet or not, I'm going to take you to my spreadsheet. And here in my spreadsheet, we can see I have added all the detail of my inquiry. Now here I have the name of my lead, that is Prabhat. I have the random email address. I have the random phone number of my lead. Also I have the address, that is Sector 135 Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Here I have my inquiry message, that is I want to purchase an empty mineral water bottle. Kindly send me the price and other details. Quantity will be 1 lakh pieces. Probable order value is going to be around 10 to 20 lakhs. Probable requirement type is going to be business use. Also, I have my inquiry subject, that is requirement for empty mineral water bottle, and I have my product name, that is mineral water bottle. So here we can see that this was my test inquiry that I've generated by using IndiaMART, and as I've generated that inquiry, I have automatically added those details in my Google Sheet. So here we can see that I've successfully created this automation in Pabbly Connect, and as I've created that automation between IndiaMART and my Google Sheet, now what I can do is that every time I'm going to receive a new inquiry for my software development services business, then automatically the new inquiries that I'm receiving for my business will be added in my Google Sheet without any manual effort. So here with this automation, it will save me tons of time and energy, and automatically I will have all the inquiries in one place, and now my sales team can have a better follow-ups with all my leads and inquiries. So here I have successfully created this connection and this automation between IndiaMART and Google Sheet. And now what I need to do is I need to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here I have connected IndiaMART and Google Sheet to automatically add software development services IndiaMART inquiries in Google Sheets. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and in my trigger I have used IndiaMART, and here my trigger event was new leads. Then I have set up my actions tab, and here I have used Google Sheet as my action application, and my action event was add new row. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description, so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.